I am Lavanya, English teacher, KGB School, Ellenpeta. Hello children, good afternoon. How are you? In this lesson, I will teach you the 7 rules that you need to know for using articles in English correctly. The words a, and the are called articles. A and an are indefinite articles because they talk about something that the listener don't know about. And the is definite article because the listener knows what you are referring to. Okay, the first rule is about where to use a and where to use an. Here is the first rule. Use article a before consonant sound and use an before vowel sound. For example, a cat, a dog, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree. And the second set, an apple, an biscuit, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella. So, you see that all of the words starts with consonant letters and consonant sounds. Cat starts with ka, dog starts with da, boy starts with ba, girl starts with ga, house starts with ha, tree starts with ta.
So we say a cat, a dog, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree, etc. Notice that in natural speech we don't say a, we say like a cat, a dog, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree, etc. In this next set of words, you see that they all starts with vowel sounds. Apple starts with AE. Engineer starts with ya. Ice cream with I. Old with O. Umbrella with ah. So we say an apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella, and so on. In speech, we don't say an, we say un. Okay children, let us do a small exercise. You see 10 items in a chart. Fill in the gaps with a or an. Elephant, car, teacher, onion, spinach, omelette, interesting story, university, European tour, hour, MA in English. All of these words you fill with a or an. Okay, stop the video and think about it. Then play the video and check your answers. Okay children, here are the answers. Did you get them all right? Okay, I want to focus on item numbers 7 to 10 because these are a little tricky. Number 7 is a university because even though university starts with the letter U, the first sound of the word is not a vowel sound. We don't say university, we say university, so that first sound is a Y sound, which is a consonant sound. So we say a university. In number 8 is similar. The word starts with ya sound, so a European tour. In number 9, the spelling has an H at start, but that H is silent. We don't say hour, we say hour. In the same way, in number 10, we say MA. M starts with an E sound, which is again a vowel sound. So, an MA in English. Okay, let us move on to the rule number 2. This is the rule number 2. Use a or an only with singular countable nouns. We say that a noun is countable if we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. All of these words are countable nouns. We can say one elephant, one car, 10 teachers, 50 onions, so on. Now, if you talk about one person or thing like one elephant, one car, 10 teachers, then that is a singular noun. And if you say 10 teachers or 500 onions, those are called plural nouns. See, these are the countable nouns and these are the uncountable nouns. An elephant, a car, a teacher, an onion, a spinach omelette, an interesting story, a university, a European, an hour, an name, English. See the uncountable nouns: water, sugar, coffee, milk, air, love, anger, knowledge, freedom. These are the uncountable nouns. If you think about it, you can say, I drank 4 waters or I want 8 milks. To a person, you can say, I love you. But you can't say, I have 5 loves for you. That does not make any sense. So, these are all countable nouns and these are uncountable nouns. Alright. So, the rule is, you can only use a or an if you are talking about one person or one thing. Okay children, let us do another quick exercise. Here are 10 items again. Identify the errors. A cell phone, an easy question, an orange shirt, a pretty woman, a happiness, a water, a table, an idea, a doctor, and advice. This time you see a or an before the nouns, but some of them are wrong. They should not have a or an before them. So children, stop the video and identify the mistakes. Then play the video again and check your answers. Here are the answers. Number 3 is wrong because shirts is plural and you cannot use a or an before plural noun. Then number 5 is wrong because happiness is uncountable noun. So again a or an cannot be used before. In the same way goes for number 6. Water is also uncountable noun. And then number 9 is also wrong because doctors is a plural noun. You can say a doctor but not a doctors. Then and finally number 10, advice is an uncountable noun. So you cannot ask for an advice. Here is rule number 3. In rule number 3, first one is use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to you, unknown to your listener. And the second is and use the to talk about a person or thing known to your listener. For example, my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. The PC is quite old, but the laptop is brand new. I say a PC and a laptop because that's the first time I am mentioning the 2 computers. That is, until this point, they are unknown to the listener. But now I can say the PC is quite old, but the laptop is brand new. When I say the PC, you know which one I am talking about. My sister's PC. And the same thing goes for the laptop. So, the PC and the laptop are now known to you. Let us now move on to the rule number 4. Use a or an to talk about non-specific things or people. For example, do you have a pencil? And in second one, do you have the pencil that Kavya gave you? So, notice again that we use a or an when we are talking about a person or thing in general and not in a specific person or thing. Further, we use the. Do you have a pencil? If I ask this question, then it probably means I need a pencil to write with. Now I say a pencil because I mean any pencil. I don't care about any one specific pencil. Compare this to the next sentence. Do you have the pencil that Kavya gave you? Here I am referring to a specific pencil. So notice again that we use a or an when we are talking about a person or thing in general, not a specific person or thing. Let us now move on to the rule number 5. Use a or an to mention the category or type of a person or thing. To understand this, I have a small exercise for you. In each sentence, insert a or an where necessary. Here, the first example, my car is dash 2015 Ford Fusion. And second one, you can use your TV as dash laptop monitor. Ravi's daughter is dash intelligent girl. I would like to become dash member of your library. I am dash teacher. He works as a cashier. All of these sentences mention a category of a type of a person or thing, but they are missing the articles. I want you to put a or an in the correct place each of these sentences. So, here are the answers. And okay, number 1, my car is dash 2015 Ford Fusion. Insert vowel A. So here I mention my car. Then I tell you the model of the car. Number 2 is here the noun phrase laptop monitor says what type of thing your TV can be used as, and then sentence number 3 we say what type of girl she is, and in 4 after the verb become you see that I am saying what category I want to belong to member of the library. For this reason, a member. Then we talk about a profession. In the same way, I am a teacher, not I am teacher. And also, he worked as a cashier. This is also a profession. So, to mention a type or a category, use a or an. Alright, let's now move on to the rule number 6. This rule is about how to make generalizations. Generalize with plurals or uncountable nouns with no article. For example, Identify the plurals and countable nouns in these sentences. See, teachers should be friendly to students. Dolphins are very intelligent. I don't enjoy watching horror movies. Way to use no article. Okay children, then stop the video and do the exercise and then play the video again and check your answers. Okay, in number 1, there are two plurals, teachers and students. Here we are not talking about any one teacher or one student in particular. We are saying that all teachers should be friendly to all students. In number 2, dolphins is a plural noun. We are using it to say generally that all dolphins are intelligent. In number 3, horror movies is what I am generalizing about. I am saying I hate all horror movies, not a particular ones.
Okay.
So remember that this form generalizing with a or an, the can only be used with singular countable nouns and when we mean every single one. Let us now move on to the rule number 7. Way to use no article. Use no article in these situations. Before proper nouns, for example, India, Ravi, Raju, etc. Before the names of seasons, winter, summer, etc. Before the names of languages, French, German, English, Telugu, etc. Before material nouns, rice, wheat, sugar, stone, glass, wood, iron, etc. Before abstract nouns, wisdom, knowledge, honesty, patience. And before names of science when used in general sense, mathematics, history. Before common nouns, man, woman, nature. And you don't use the article before the names of games, tennis, cricket, badminton. And before names of meals unless specially qualified, dinner, lunch, tea, breakfast. And before the following abstract nouns, heaven, paradise, hell, heaven. And before words showing relations, for example, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. And before countable plural nouns, pictures, boys, dogs, teachers, etc. And finally, before the places when visited for the primary purpose. For example, college, university, bed, market, church, hospital, etc. Okay children, I hope you enjoy the lesson. Bye bye.